Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Tarrant local and long-distance movers near me. With the right cheap Tarrant moving company, you will be able to move faster and easier. 3 Movers is the right company for your moving needs. With affordable pricing and trustworthy movers, you can count on us to get you where you need to go. We have helped plenty of people move their homes, businesses, and heavy items. We offer the best long-distance moving services with options such as packing services. Our packing and unpacking services give you access to the most convenient move possible. Moving supplies. We provide you with the right moving supplies to keep all your things protected properly. An on-time move. You won't have to worry about any type of delay or cancellation with our moving team showing up at the scheduled time. Upfront pricing. Our pricing estimates give you a transparent price you can use to set your moving budget. Licensed and insured. We keep all your belongings fully protected throughout the entire move. When you're ready to move your family or business to a new location 100 miles away or further, we're ready to help. Our long-distance moving services offer you the right choice for your needs. We can help make sure you get to where you need to go faster and easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tarrant moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.